will read the first paragraph with correct pronunciation. So listen to me very carefully, everyone. Okay? Okay, so let's start, everyone, and focus on my words. With Uncle Ken. With Uncle Ken, you had always to expect you always to expect the unexpected, even in the most normal circumstances. Circumstances. Something something unusual. Something unusual would happen to him and to those around him. He was a catalyst. He was a catalyst for confusion. He was a catalyst for confusion. Now I repeat the underlined words again. Okay? Now I repeat the underlined words again. So listen to me very carefully, everyone. First word is expect. Next is unexpected. Unexpected. Next word is normal. Normal. Fourth word is circumstances. Circumstances means halat, sthiti. Circumstances. Next one is unusual. 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 Okay. Next one is those. Those. Okay. Around. Next one is catalyst. Catalyst. Okay, next one is confusion. Okay, so these are your words.
Ma'am.
Riya Sharma, please read the underlined words. Please, underlined words को पढ़िए एक बार.
मैम जो येलो कलर से अंडरलाइन है.
Yes, beta, yes. Not yellow color. The red or orange underlined words.
Expect.
Yes.
Unexpected. Those. Unusual.
Good.
Normal.
Very good.
Around.
Confusion.
Confusion.
Yes, very good.
Catalyst. Unusual.
Yes, circumstances.
Circumstances.
Yes, Rudra Prajapati. Okay, Rihanna, please turn on your mic now. Rudra Prajapati.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the words, Rudra.
मैम जो वर्ड अंडरलाइन है हमने रीड करना है.
Yes, beta. The red underlined words.
मैम expect.
Very good.
Unexpected.
Nice, beta.
Normal. Circumstance. Unusual. Those. Around. Catalyst and confusion.
Very nice, Rudra. Very good, beta. Okay, now next is Ronak.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the underlined word, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, expect, unexpected, those, unusual, normal, catalyst, confusion, around,
Circumstances. Ronak, it is circumstances. Okay. Jigar Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jigar, now read these words, please.
Ma'am, expect, unexpected, normal, circumstances, unusual, thus, around,
Good. Catalyst.
catalyst or
Yes.
conclusion.
Confusion. Very good. Very nice. And please turn off your mic, everyone. Now, please turn off your mic.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. To be very carefully. Okay. Now I will read the second paragraph. Okay, and listen to me very carefully, everyone. Very good. My mother should have known. It is known, not known. K से start नहीं होगा. There is K is silent. K is silent. So it is known. कैसे पढ़ेंगे बेटा? known पढ़ेंगे. K नहीं है इसमें. K नहीं है. ठीक है? तो इसको पढ़ेंगे known. Better than to ask him to accompany me to England the year after I had finished school. She felt that a boy of 16 was a little too young to make the voyage on his own. OWN is own. Okay, it is might. Okay, it is might get lost or lose my money or fall overboard or catch some dreadful diseases. She should have realized that Uncle Ken, her brother, well spoiled by my mother and her sisters, was more likely to do all these things. Okay, so it's a paragraph, and I repeat the words again. I repeat the underlined words again. So it is known. Next word is accompany. Okay, voyage. Own. Might. Overboard. Dreadful. Disease. Realized. Spoiled. Okay, now wait a minute.
and interested to deliver me safely to my auntie in England
Wait, Kunal, wait. It's aunt, not auntie. It's aunt.
Okay, ma'am. Auntie in England, after which
Kunal, I'm repeating the mistake. It's aunt. Aunt pronounce करो इसे. Aunt.
aunt
Yes.
in England, after which he could either stay there or return to India, whichever he perfect.
Preferred. Now मेरे बाद में pronounce करिए preferred. Yes.
Preferred Granny had paid for his ticket, so in effect he was getting a free holiday, which include a voyage on a posh PSO liner.
Okay, Sanji, be ready for the next paragraph. Okay.
मैम स्टार्ट करें.
Yes, beta. Let's start.
Our train journey to Bombay passed off without incident, although Uncle Ken did manage to misplace his spectacles getting down at the
Sanji, wait, beta. It's spectacles. spectacles. क्या बोलेंगे? Spectacles. Yes.
बस यार वेट करेंगे
Yeah, wait for your turn.
down करेंगे
Getting down.
getting down at the station wearing someone else. This left him a little short sight, which might have account for his mistaking the station master for a porter and instructing him to look after our luggage.
Very good, Sanvi. Very nice.
And Uncle Ken word that we would enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
However, we was a little constrained by his
Budget.
and
Budget. By his budget. Yes. Next. Dave, read the next line.
ma'am, and took me to a rather seedy hotel on Lamington Road, where we had to share a toilet with 20 other people.
Okay. Now wait. Very good. Shruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Lata.
Never mind, he said. We won't spend much in his dump.
In this.
So he took me to Marine Drive and the Gateway of India, and then to an Irani restaurant in Colaba, where we enjoyed a super dinner of curried prawns and scented rice.
Not scented, beta. Not
I
scented.
don't-
It's scented. Shruti, it's scented. Scented rice.
Scented rice. I don't know
If
if it was the curry, the prawns, or the scant, but Uncle Ken was up all night running back and forth to that toilet so that no one else had a chance to use it. Several dispirited travelers simply opened the windows and ejected into space, cursing Uncle Ken all the while.
very good. Okay. Lalit, are you listening my voice? Lalit? Lalit?
And a cave. Breakfast of fish pickle.
Jigar Sharma, please turn off your mic.
मैम
Wait a minute.
मैम पिकल आपके बाद के लिखा है